What's going on, everybody? Welcome this morning. I want to first start this off saying happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Hope y'all have a good day. Enjoy your day with your family. Hey, we on our way down to the storage unit / shop. Go try to start disassembling this Zx10. We done got the key ordered for it. If you didn't know, the bike didn't come with no keys or anything, so I had to order a new ignition and a new trunk key set for the bike. Yeah, so we're gonna do that today. We're gonna start stripping it down, taking some of the body parts off. And I really didn't want to do it because I was trying to wait for the shed to show up at the house so I can start doing the work at the house. But I'm trying to bring you guys some more content and trying to get this bike started. The R6, we're gonna start on that one once the shed get to the house, get everything set up at the house, start working from there. But we on our way there, and I'm gonna bring y'all back. Oh, you're getting it on the bike. Yeah, we gonna bring y'all back when we get to the shop. Peace. All right, guys, we here at the storage unit. Hopefully another week or so we can get up out of here and clean this thing up, get rid of most of these boxes and stuff. Like I said, we went from 3 units down to 2 units. The other unit started leaking in there, but we getting the shop at the house, so pretty much I ain't got to be paying nobody every month. So we gonna move this Harley out of here, and we're gonna bring the Zx10 over here to work on. Build on this 2012 Harley Davidson Electric Glide Classic. I think the bags came in the mail. It's gonna be pretty much all completed, just need to be painted. But interested in her the way she look now, non-painted without the bags. Leave a comment. Alright, let me move these bikes around. Yeah, we done got the Harley over here with the R6. Well, not the R6, this is the Honda CBR 600RR. So already somebody done put money on that one already. And we got this Harley over here, XG750. If anybody interested. Yeah. And I got this one backed out. And I'm gonna get ready to move it to the other shed. Be able to bring y'all right back. All right, guys, we got the Zx10 sitting over here with the R6. We gotta get our shed so we can get up out of here, clean all this up, get rid of all these boxes and stuff. But R6 gonna be coming together pretty soon. I'm gonna pretty much probably wait till we get our shed before I jump on that one, but I want to start breaking this thing down. The key set should be in here in another couple of days, so we can change out the ignition on here, so we can try to crank this baby up. But right now, let's start tearing all these broken pieces off of it, tearing it down. Let's see where we're gonna go from there. Yeah, we done got the fairing front visor off. Yeah, pretty much gonna take that off eventually. Yeah, let's get into this here. Well, the reservoir is good. Still holding. That bolt there gonna be, might be able to heat it up and bend it back some. But we're gonna continue on taking these fairing pieces off and go from there. We're gonna bring y'all right back. Try to take this front cover off. Wires out the way. This one must be a bigger size. Right there. Let's grab the other side. This one got a bolt holding it. Probably could have used a ratchet, but figured it wouldn't be on there that tight. Figured it wouldn't be on there that tight. Brake line is attached to it. that off. Oh. Guess we try to get these top fins. Whoa, guys are sliding all over the place. We'll try to get this top fairing off. Let me bring y'all right back. Get the big one once again. They one size. Oh yeah, this right side is pretty good on this right side here. Ooh. Knocking you guys over. Got that off. Yep. I can get to under there. I can take the battery out of this thing, which I'm pretty sure I need a new battery anyway. Well, let me bring you guys right back. Done knocked y'all over. Sorry. Alright, you done got the side fairing off. And I took the bolts out for the seat. We're gonna take this battery out. Somebody got some makeshift things, Allen key in there. But we're gonna take it out, charge it up, see if it even charge. If not, pretty much probably end up putting a brand new battery in here anyway. And we're gonna put a whole new fairing kit on this bike anyway, so let's continue proceeding on taking off this lower fairing part. Get that off of there. Let's get to it. Okay, ladies and gents, we pretty much got the bike broke down. Got to clean all that back there. Just see. But we pretty much got the bike broke down. Took all the broke fairings and stuff off the bike. Let me let y'all check. Took the whole tail section off. Took the battery out. We're going to see if it'll charge up, but I'm pretty sure we're going to have to get a new battery. Gonna have to take the tank off to get to the ignition. Take that off and stuff. But looking pretty good. This is about the only thing. I ain't really too worried about that. I heat that up, get that up out of there. But still got cooling in. Once we get the new ignition stuff for it and the battery, we're gonna try to crank it up. See if that radiator is holding any coolant or not. I don't know if it's holding any coolant, because it looks like it's a little dry in there. But like I said, we'll crush that road once we get the new ignition for it. And, like I said, we pretty much took all the fairings and stuff off of it. I got a mirror, pretty much in good condition, for 2008-2010 Zx10. Anybody interested, hit me up in the comments. Also got a couple of fairing parts that's good. The rear sections is pretty good on it. I only got the right side of the rear section. It's a solo seat. Anybody interested in it? It's pretty good. The rear part that goes in front of, and the whole underneath. It's pretty good, but I'm gonna clean it all up and pretty much list all that stuff. If you ain't subscribed to our page, like, share. Check us out on Instagram at Low Budget Motorcycles. You can check us out on Facebook also at Low Budget Motorcycles, or Low Budget Motorcycles Rentals and Sales. Yeah, we used to rent bikes, but we getting away from that and more into selling. This is the R6. I don't know, it's been a long time. I need to get on that one. But yeah, guys, like, subscribe, share with your friends. Oh yeah, anybody can tell me, this is some type of sensor. It's up underneath here. If anybody could tell me what this sensor is on the back of this bike, would love to know what that is. But once again, hey, we got some sweatsuits, Low Budget Motorcycles. We got them in different colors. Check it out. We got blue and black, red and black. Got yellow and black. Check them out at lowbudgetmotorcycles.net. You can go on there and order. And we out to the next one. Peace.